Number 5. The Seagull 1963 is a legendary timepiece that effortlessly combines vintage charm with precision craftsmanship, making it a standout for collectors and watch enthusiasts alike. Originally designed for the Chinese Air Force, this mechanical chronograph features a hand-wound movement renowned for its reliability and smooth operation, offering a tactile connection to traditional watchmaking. Its classic design is highlighted by a clean, cream-colored dial with striking gold or steel markers, elegant blue hands, and a distinct red chronograph hand that adds a subtle pop of color. The domed acrylic crystal enhances its retro aesthetic while providing durability, and the polished stainless steel case balances vintage appeal with modern sturdiness. With its exposed movement visible through a sapphire or mineral case back, the Seagull 1963 showcases the meticulous engineering that powers its intricate chronograph mechanism. Comfortable on the wrist and versatile in style, it seamlessly transitions from formal occasions to casual outings, embodying a perfect blend of history, elegance, and functionality that has earned it a devoted following worldwide. Number 4. The Martin SN004-G is a sophisticated dive watch that perfectly balances robust functionality with refined aesthetics, making it a must-have for both enthusiasts and professional divers. Built with a solid stainless steel case and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, this timepiece offers exceptional durability while maintaining a sleek, polished appearance. Its deep green dial, accented by luminous markers and hands, ensures excellent legibility even in low light or underwater conditions, while the unidirectional rotating bezel allows precise tracking of dive times. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, the SN004-G delivers smooth, sweeping seconds and dependable accuracy, complemented by a transparent caseback that reveals the intricate mechanics within. With a water resistance rating designed to handle serious aquatic adventures, a comfortable bracelet, and a versatile design that suits both casual and formal settings, the Martin SN004-G embodies the perfect fusion of rugged performance and timeless elegance. Number 3. The Adizdiv AD2102 is a striking dive watch that combines professional-grade functionality with bold, eye-catching design, making it a standout piece for both collectors and adventurers. Its robust stainless steel case is paired with a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, ensuring durability under the most demanding conditions, while the unidirectional rotating bezel allows precise timing during dives. The watch features a deep, richly colored dial with highly legible luminous markers and hands, guaranteeing visibility even in low light or underwater environments. Powered by a dependable automatic movement, the AD2102 delivers smooth and accurate timekeeping, complemented by a display case back that showcases the finely crafted mechanics within. With a solid water resistance rating, a comfortable bracelet, and a versatile style that transitions effortlessly from the ocean to everyday wear, the Adizdiv AD2102 perfectly merges rugged performance with sophisticated modern aesthetics. Number 1. The Cadison C1032 is a beautifully crafted watch that blends classic elegance with modern functionality, making it a versatile choice for everyday wear or special occasions. Housed in a polished stainless steel case with a durable sapphire crystal, it offers both resilience and a refined, luxurious look. The dial is clean and sophisticated, featuring luminous hands and markers for excellent readability, along with a discreet date display that adds practical utility without compromising style. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, the C1032 delivers smooth, accurate timekeeping and showcases its intricate inner workings through a transparent caseback, giving a glimpse of the craftsmanship behind the mechanism. With a comfortable bracelet and a design that effortlessly transitions from formal attire to casual settings, the Cadison C1032 embodies a harmonious balance of precision, elegance, and everyday practicality. Number 2. The Pagani-designed PD1644 is a refined timepiece that captures the essence of luxury watchmaking while offering exceptional value and reliability. Crafted with a polished stainless steel case and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, it combines durability with a sleek, elegant finish. Its deep, meticulously detailed dial features luminous markers and hands for effortless readability in any lighting, complemented by a subtle date window that adds practical functionality. Powered by a precise automatic movement, the PD1644 ensures smooth, sweeping seconds and consistent accuracy, while the exhibition case back reveals the intricate mechanics that bring the watch to life. Comfortable on the wrist and versatile in style, the Pagani-designed PD1644 transitions seamlessly from formal settings to casual outings, embodying a perfect harmony of sophisticated design, mechanical excellence, and timeless appeal.